Going through Old Town with the baby mama. The baby mama. They can't see nothing from the back. Ta-da! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. I'm doing 1,000,001 things trying to get out of here this morning. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. I'm trying to get my kids ready for school. Papa is dropping this one and I'm dropping the other one. Come. Oh, let Faith see your cute little self. See Faith's there?
Good morning.
Good job. Ready to go to school? Go get your bag. Go get your bag. Anyway, you guys, I'm just coming on to tell you guys a quick good morning while I head out to do my runs. And this one, our stuff already in pushed on our bag. I'm just no, this one, please. This one for school. Yes, very good. I'm making breakfast. Breakfast this morning is what do I have? Banana, strawberry, blueberry, and pineapple and kale. So that's breakfast this morning. Have a good day. Enjoy today's vlog. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam. You guys, you haven't seen me in a head wrap in a long while, but I'm rocking on today because I need to wash my hair this evening. Yes? You want blueberries?
Yeah, blueberries.
Okay. They're frozen, so she can't get blueberries. Ooh, I made a mess. Then we can throw the rest of my smoothie in the smoothie jar or in some kind of jar and put it in the fridge, please. Alright, Sarah, we're ready.
Did you watch about smoothie jar?
Anyway, you guys, I'm heading out right now, so I'll catch you guys later. Say good morning, baby.
Good morning, guys. I feel that.
Good morning.
Yeah. Anyway, you guys, I'm out. Look how cute she is. Hi. You're so cute. So thank you, Mama. Keep hopping down the street. I hope when September comes for her to go to her big school, transition won't be so hard. But I'm sure she'll be ready and do well. Just keep hopping as happy as can be. And Sarah, ready for school? Come on. You guys, so here am I walking through Old Town. I know you guys enjoy seeing Old Town, and I'm literally going through an alley. Hopefully you guys can see me properly. I'm going to Tashika's house because I have a few, like an hour before the library opens. So instead of sitting in the park, I'm going to Tashika. So I'm just going to show you guys the alleyway that I'm going through right now. It's a different part of Old Town that you guys have never seen before. So it basically looks like that. And this is not just an alley, but a street that car drive on. As you guys can see, let me show you guys my other angle. So that's Old Town. It's amazing how these buildings are built in this place. So this is basically what Old Town look like. All the buildings are like this with these small streets in between. But yeah, this is Old Town. I know you guys really love seeing it. See, a car is about to pass me right now, going through Old Town. And then you have the church right there. And it's early in the morning, so nowhere is not really open right now. So that's basically all you're seeing. It's just the buildings. Not much people around because, like I say, it's very early in the morning. It's just 9 a.m. But come 12 o'clock, these streets will be super busy. Look at this street. It's amazing to see how these streets are. And then you have the same thing here. And it goes all the way up. All the way up. And then all the way down. But yeah, this old town in all its glory. Glory. See another car coming out of that street. But yeah, that's Old Town for you. And then all the way up the top there you have the chateau, where is like a point of view where we've been quite a few times if you've never seen if you've ever seen our vlogs. But I'm sure if you're new here, then when we go back up there another time, you guys will get to see that. Well, if you're in a bus, biatch, then what a shirt. I won't be wearing that. I only sleep with vegans. Oh, look at the... I wonder if they have Naruto. I'm gonna check. Bonjour. Vous avez de t-shirt avec Naruto?
Tout ce qui est en haut à droite.
Ah, pour les enfants?
Non, c'est plus pour les grands.
Ah.
Et c'est possible d'en faire pour les petits ou pas?
Ah, je fais pas.
Non.
Ah.
Il a dit non.
No, ask him if it's possible for him to do my thing. He was doing it.
Ah. Going through Old Town. Wow. Going through Old Town with the baby mama. The baby mama. They can't see nothing from the back. Ah, ta-da! Ta-da! These pants look comfy.
They're cute.
Wow, I like this top. This pink top is nice.
Trust me, them have a
Bonjour.
This one is silk.
Ah, c'est combien pour ça?
C'est combien pour ça? 29.
Okay, thank you. They look nice and the pants match it perfectly. I like it. It's very nice. You see, that's why I don't like to walk through Old Town, because everything catches your eye and you want to just buy it. Merci. Buongiorno.
Go on the next way, I'm mad.
Sushi, my spot.
And then every corner you go, it basically has a restaurant.
Yes.
Like if you
Oh
walk back
yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. That's Old Town for you.
There's one right here. Here's the ice cream shop here. Cheap, man. So I don't have to go far for the sweater. Look.
For this?
The sweater.
This look nice though. This white. What sweater? Oh, yeah.
You remember?
Yes. Look, perfect.
Right here. And then two, no?
Yes, they're very nice. You can pick, choose, and refuse. Pick, choose, and refuse. Knitted sweaters, and I'm sure you can find others that's probably cheaper than this in here. That one looks nice though. I like it. It's very girly girl.
Daddy gonna do that.
So we're strolling through Old Town. Oh, it's the
Here.
shirt.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, in there full so.
No, it's not full. It's empty.
Come. She can't pass this park without doing the hopscotch. Hey, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! Good job. Out. Come on. Out. Can you believe that I picked up Sarah from school, went home and put her down for a nap, had lunch, and came back out on the road, went to the post office, and now heading back home. Oh my gosh. My days non-stop. But I had to come to the post office because I missed a package yesterday, a promotion package which I had to come and pick up. So I got it, so that's good. Now I have to wait on the bus to head back home. So I'm in the street. What is the weather like where you guys are right now? Because in Nice is hot. The entire France is hot right now. You guys, please don't watch my hair. I'm in the kitchen right now with my tired self, trying to whip up something for dinner tonight. Dinner will be a little bit of everything, but the main thing I'm making is minced beef wrap, where I normally make the mince. Good job. I normally cook the mince and then I put the wrap. I'm using wheat wrap. Mama soon give you cheese. Yes, Mama gonna give you fromage. I put the wrap on the stove and put the mince with cheese in it and fold it and kind of make it cook a bit. If that's the term cook should use. But yeah, if you get the idea, that's what I'm doing right now. Then I'm putting some other little things in the kids' plate, which I'll show you guys in a bit. So, it's dinner time around here. It's dinner time. You guys don't want to cross my path with me hungry, you know? When I am hungry, I'm a very miserable woman. Oh gosh. I think that's my worst. I'm at my worst when I'm miserable. When I'm hungry. Yeah. And if I take too long to get food, everybody head get eat off. I'm sure I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. Okay, Mama gonna give you cheese. Mama, have you waiting? Look at her dressed like a princess. Look at her. In her tutu and have on her crown. You want fromage? Please, Mama. Tada! What should you say? Oh, mosquito in your face. Wow, Mama catch a mosquito in your face. Look. Mosquito bite you.
Mama,
Yes, why?
you have 2 questions.
You have 2 questions.
Yes. Good morning.
You learn a new song at school that you want to sing for Faves?
This house.
Okay. See Faves dear. Sing before the battery ends.
Is it French?
Okay, sing. Tell us I want to sing for you guys.
Good morning.
Good morning, yes, I hear you, Sarah.
Mama.
Yes. Tai Tai gonna sing. Listen to Tai Tai sing.
On peut vivre sans richesse. Presque sans luxe. Les seigneurs et les princesses. On a plus beaucoup. Les ouvriers sont restés. Et ne les pourrait pas. Non, 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 non. On ne les pourrait pas. On peut vivre sur la gloire. Qui ne pourrait rien être inconnu dans l'histoire. Sans trouver bien. Les livres sont engraissés. Il n'en est pas question. Non, 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 non. Il n'en est pas question.
Good job! But that's the same song that Kids United sing.
Yes, I learned it to be. And that's what I sing.
Okay, good job.
That's why I wanted to put it on Alexa. I know it's on Alexa.
Yes, it's an Alexa.
Can you put it please?
Later. To put it later.
What is this?
A splash pad.
L'heure de faire la sieste? Non. L'heure de déclarer le thé. Oui, 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 oui. Oui, oui. Depuis quelle heure il est? L'heure de faire la sieste? Non. L'heure de déclarer le thé. Oui, oui. Non, ne crois pas.
You're not cute.
Quelle heure il est l'heure de faire la sieste? Non. L'heure de la promenade. Non, n'arrêtez pas. Les gars là, Delphine, quelle heure il est? L'heure de faire dodo? Non, l'heure de t'exposer les pieds. Oh non, n'arrêtez pas.
He's a little clown for his sister. He's too funny. Anyway, you guys, I finally whipped up something for dinner. Not my usual traditional dinner, but okay. They have cheesecake, they have strawberry, and they have wrap with minced beef and cheese inside. I'll give them some more bit, but this is what already. So that's dinner for the kids. Somebody's gonna get the ass whooping right now, but I won't be around to see who's gonna win and who's gonna lose. Tyler, focus.
Yes, I'm focusing.
You're focusing. You're what?
Focusing us.
You're focusing us. Say that again.
That's nothing.
Focusing us.
No, you're focusing.
I'm focusing.
Focus us. You're focusing, okay? Say it again.
You're focusing.
Very good. Well, I guess I'll be around to see who win the first one. Honey, play now.
Yeah.
You don't need to focus us.
I know I
Focus.
can play.
Please tell me. Papa, tell I have somebody thinking.
Done.
Oops. Focus.
Oops. When two mathematicians meet up, that's what
If you
happens.
can't put here, it was like this. But I did
Just pay attention to your
I wanted Papa to play here like that.
your
I can.
early plays matters with Papa. I can't recall ever winning a piece of scotch with Papa. Papa is a mathematician. It's hard to meet him at this.
Attends,